I like a possible buy in this area. I still consider this lower rated, even though it's a quality trade in the direction of the short-term trend. We did break out above the prior pivot higher, or I wouldn't be even considering this trade. The downside, however, is, you know, is this move for real, and are we really ready to go higher? That's still suspect. Not real happy that that bar turned green. That's not a huge deal. We got very little trade risk left in the trade now, as we are up 3 ticks. Only got 2 ticks of risk left. Come on, baby, punch through for us. And winner. All right, so let's go through the main. Ooh, I got lucky on an extreme fill so far. Crude oil, gold, the DAX. These are all markets that it's not too abnormal to get extreme fills. You know, it almost never happens in a market like the S&P, but definitely got lucky on an extreme fill there. So here's what I was looking at on this trade. One of the big realities that made me be willing to trade is that we broke above this prior pivot high. Okay, that was a big thing. We had consolidated there and we broke above that area. Next, we had 2 down closed bars, and that did not cause our pulse extreme line to move down. So we have a positive PEDC count. Now we're pegged at plus 10. So this is not an official. This is not an official PEDC buy. However, it is a quasi PEDC buy in that we stayed pegged at positive 10 after 2 down closed bars, okay? And then our entry is just above the prior pivot high point. We get an up closed bar, and I am starting to, and I'll make mention of this. I'm not going to explain it in great detail, but I will just mention it now and then. We did have a volume indication on this. Adding volume analysis to the sniper program is something that we're going to do at the Las Vegas seminar. It's understanding volume and how volume affects everything is incredibly powerful reality. The sniper tools and systems are obviously unbelievable even without a volume component, but in adding this volume component, it's really pretty staggering. You know, what we're going to be looking at. For some of you guys that are newer to the sniper program, you might not be aware that I have a significant background in volume analysis. I'm definitely I guess you'd call me a volume analysis expert. So I'm kind of excited about bringing some of the volume ideas to the sniper program, and that is going to be part of what is taught at the Las Vegas seminar, so watch out. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so there was a volume indication in this area as well, gave the nod to getting long there for a nice winner. Okay, so there's that trade.